Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, December 14th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So the beat goes on. We have a poor high in the overnight, which is also now a yearly high. We have new all-time highs in NQ in the overnight, not just yearly highs, all-time highs. We're going to see if Triple Q follows suit at some point to get their all-time high. So look, right now with 11 days to go in the year, very good odds we get our all-time high in the ES and the SPY. Until something changes, the only way something changes right now, the first step the bears would have to take is to take out a daily low. So until that happens on pullbacks against previous daily lows, it's worth a long. Okay, we're looking at gap higher again today. Now, last couple of gaps haven't held, okay, but we have the massive gaps below us. Remember, SPY goes ex-dividend tonight. A lot of times people are looking to buy SPY just for the dividend. Obviously, if they've been waiting for the market to pull back this week, they didn't get that, right? We exploded at Monday in H period above C's high. So no pullback whatsoever. So either they don't buy for the dividend or they might chase. So we'll see how that transpires as the day goes on. Righty. Look at Righty. Righty's absolutely exploding above yesterday's high. This is almost 28 points for them. Really huge move. Remember, they've been the laggard this year, so they're trying to catch up. They're still far from coming out of a monthly balance the way I have it, which is at 202 on the IWM, let alone an all-time high. IWM's all-time high is 243, I believe. So they're way far from that. The Dow has hit a new high. They'll start out with another new high this morning. Game plan for this morning. Again, the only short I would look at is possibly front running the overnight high. We have a 15-wide point of control that I would keep an eye on. That would be the only short. Because look, we basically have a price vacuum above. There's not much to the all-time high. And then once you get the all-time high, we talk about these algos searching for things. Well, that's what they're doing right now in NQ. There's nothing above them. This is uncharted territory. Okay? So what would be the first real stop? Probably 17,000 on the NQ. Right? Because they love those round numbers. So keep that in mind. As far as the long look, you can take a long against the gap. You can take a long against the overnight low. However, if we fill the gap and get the overnight low without getting the overnight high, you might get more of a pullback, and there's not a lot to lean on, okay, in the upper distribution. So I don't think, right? Remember, if we get into M period, a lot of times we trade the whole thing. So my next long I would possibly look at would be at M's low and then maybe J's high to see if they hold, if they fill those set of single prints and hold. Okay, that would be probably the first level I would look for any kind of long of any significance. Just keep that in mind. I mean, I'm not saying you can't take one against yesterday's high and overnight low, but if we do take it out, just be aware that there's a good chance we could trade all of M's range. Again, these are all early plays. If you're in the trading room, we're going over this time frame by time frame while this profile is being live streamed. And then on the chart, so here's our monthly, right? Our all-time high in SPY is 479.98. We're $8 from it right now. So we're chugging along up towards that. The weekly, 7 weeks in a row with good distance, getting away from previous weekly highs, and the daily one-time framing up for 4 days also. Good luck trading today. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.